Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat idea. These are actually bed sheet holders that will fit any mattress, and there are 4 of them. So it actually just slides underneath the mattress. They have these nice little grips on here. And then once it's under the mattress, you can then lock in your sheets, whether you're using fitted sheets or the flat sheet. Like this is how I came into my daughter's room this morning. So it is always just a nightmare. Then we just lock them in place with this nice elastic band to be able to keep everything nice and tight. So to use one of these, it's really easy. All you've got to do is just slide it underneath the mattress and it will go in there. And then the sheet just simply lays right over the top, and you can tuck it in and make it look however you're wanting it to look, as if you were making the bed for normal times. Then you use this nice little thing right here that just simply slides over the top of this, straps on around the other side as well, and then it will keep everything in place for you for the next time. That way, when she's pulling that on the bed, like that is super nice because now she can't actually pull her sheets off, and that makes the bed so much easier to make. Or if you wanted to use it under a fitted sheet, fitted sheet as well, maybe you've got one that's a little bit too small for the mattress and it always slides up, this would work great for that as well. It holds everything in place and makes the bed just so much nicer, and she won't have to be able to mess with the sheets, easily make the bed in the morning. And there are 4 of them, so you can fitted sheets you can put on all 4 corners, or you could even use this for 2 beds if you're using it for the flat sheet.